April 9th, 2025 here, and going over Tesla stock, up about 22% today. The S&P 500 here up 10% today. And so we might be able to see a potential short squeeze here for Tesla stock, with the current price here being about 269, 270 here in the after hours. You might see a temporary short-term pullback going into tomorrow. However, watch for a rebound going into tomorrow and Friday. You might see a U-shaped curve here, or I would say potentially even a cup and handle here. This is going to spike up all the way to 313. That's just my personal prediction. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. But I think a lot of shorts here are captured into this candle here on the daily chart, especially since we're up 10% today. There's going to be a lot of FOMO, and I think short squeeze possibly heading up towards 313. This is just something to keep an eye out for. An additional 15% move towards the top side. We eventually are going to break above this 200 daily moving average. And that also includes that recent high we've had at 291, 292. Once that breaks above, look out for 313. And you think it ends here, but I don't think it ends here. I really think the loop is just going to continue up to the next major resistance, right around 30%. And you think it ends here, but it actually continues to 406. And this is where Tom Lee's prediction, I think, is actually going to occur. Yes, he said it maybe a little too soon, but I think with the timing, with the 90-day pause on the tariffs, things are looking really good here for Tesla stock. And I'm really bullish on this being, I think this is going to occur, honestly, within April 2025. And again, today's April 9th, 2025. Current price here, 269. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I just have some shares. I'm not into any options right now personally for Tesla stock. But if you are, best of luck, right? You know, we hit that low here of 214 twice. Now, personally, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 488 to be retested. Obviously, I could be wrong. This is just my personal prediction. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. And again, I think this short squeeze is going to bring Tesla back to its all-time high. You should see the overall market also move up alongside with it as well. And it all started off with that 90-day pause on the tariffs. I think this is causing a ripple effect, and it will continue to rinse and repeat back to 488. So let's see how it unravels. Let's see how the rest of April turns out, and also going into May as well. Really curious to see if we make a new all-time high here for Tesla stock. And again, this looks pretty good in my opinion. Let me know what you think down below. And if you haven't yet, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join. We have over 32,000 members. And lastly, if you're looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, we have multiple analysts in our Patreon sharing live entries and exits on stocks and options. Link down below for Patreon. It's a permanent 90% off discount right now. Special promotion as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So if that's something you're interested in, I highly recommend joining our Patreon. Okay. Something I didn't mention yet though, if there is going to be a short-term pullback, right around 250 or even 258, those are two levels to watch out for to see if we can hold above as support. Now, while they are short-term support here in the 4-hourly chart, I would possibly even look to, say I hypothetically missed out on the run, I would hypothetically look to see if I could add between 258 and 250. If we get to those levels or even close to it, I would consider even adding, because I think we are going to have this break above 272 again and launch back up to 313 and rinse and repeat, like I said earlier, all the way back up to these resistances. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you found this video helpful at some point with the resistances in check and also support levels. Feel free to subscribe if you want to support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.